we are done with switches. Now we're gonna talk about routers, right?
Yes.
So suppose like this is your router, right? So as you know, the main difference between your switch and your router is this. Your routers can connect what? Routers connect networks, right? Routers connect what?
Networks.
Networks, right? So suppose like you have one network here and another network here. You can connect those two networks by using a router, right? Now, this same router, will have two types of configurations. What are those configurations? What are those configurations? They are configurations that you found already, like on the device. When you purchase your device, you're gonna find already those configurations, right? Those are the startup configurations. So, there's what we call startup configurations. Those are the configurations that you found already. They're already there, right? And what you're gonna start configuring, it's called what? Running configurations, right? So the configurations that you're gonna find already there, saved already there by default, it's called what? Startup configuration, right? But the one that you are going to start configuring, it's called what? Running configurations. But most of the time, you have to save your running configuration to where? To the start configuration, the startup, right? Because this one is volatile. The running configuration is what? Volatile. This is volatile. It means that when there is power cut, you are going to lose like everything. So you have to save whatever that you are typing where? On the startup config. And when you wanna initialize and reload your router, you have to delete what? The startup configuration, right? As I said, don't forget, you are doing this command when maybe you are dealing with a new device, or maybe you are sure that you want to reload, right? Now, you are going to be here, like in user mode, right? Which command you're gonna use?
Enable.
Thank you. Right? Because from here, you can only monitor the device. You cannot do nothing. This command will allow you to move to the higher level command, or the higher level mode. So you're gonna move to which one? To privilege mode. How can we know that we're in privilege mode? By which symbol? Hash. Right? Now, from here, which command you must type? Just type like erase startup. So we're going to delete the startup config. You right?
Yeah.
When you type this command, means you are deleting the default configurations. You are deleting what is already there. Right? You are deleting the startup config. But some of the routers will ask you some of the questions. You have just to say no, no, no. So when you are finished, when you are done with this command, you have to type what? Reload now. You're gonna type reload. You right? And you are done. So as you can check there from the projector, right? So if there are some questions where they are asking you yes or no, you can just say no, 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 right? And so if Sometimes they can ask you, you will be auto install program. The auto install, no. You must say yes, right? Any question? So this is how you have to reload and initialize your router. The most important point that you need to understand is this, that you do have two types of configurations, the startup and the running. Startup is what's already there. Running is what you currently typing or configuring. Right? Yes. Okay. You can continue with your work. Make sure that you